Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Nest Cam and view live feed detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Google Nest Cam carefully. Remove the camera and all included accessories from the packaging. Locate the power adapter and the mounting kit. Plug the power adapter into a wall outlet. Connect the other end to the Nest Cam. Ensure the camera is placed in a location with good Wi-Fi coverage. Download the Google Home app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Google Home app once it has been installed. Tap on the Add icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Setup Device from the options that appear. Choose New Device from the list. Select your home to begin the setup process. The app will now search for nearby devices. When your Nest Cam appears, tap on its name to select it. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait for the app to confirm the connection. Once connected, you may be asked to select a name for your camera. Choose a name that reflects its intended location. After naming your camera, tap Next to proceed. You may be prompted to choose a preferred video quality setting. Select the quality that best suits your needs. Now, grant the app necessary permissions for camera access. Once permissions are set, the camera will finish setting up. You will see a live preview of your camera feed once setup is complete. To view the live feed at any time, open the Google Home app. Tap on the camera's icon from your list of devices. Ensure your device is connected to the internet for optimal viewing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.